Hello amigos, today we're gonna attempt to restore two bars. This one is just dark, but it's a very clean bar. But the toning on it is not colors, it's just getting dark. And this one has lots of dirt in between the letters. So I'm gonna try to make a short real quick. All right, so we're gonna start with the medicine ANA convention. And see if we can get some luster back on it, because it's very clean, to be honest with you. All right, so that's number one. I don't know if it's gonna work that much, but it looks like it's gonna be a little bit better. I'm gonna try to work this front real quick. I think we're gonna like the results there. And the next bar is just dirt. Usually when I'm looking at the bar right here, I can see immediate improvement on the dirt, like popping up, like coming out of the bar. So this one, I think we're gonna like the results. So, oh yeah. Yeah, baby. This is gonna be a good turnout. I like it already. So what I do, make a little pool of water, but I don't know what's going on. I mean, we had a big storm and we had flash floods and everything, but the water is coming out pretty disturbed, like with sand. I don't think it's going to affect any to our results here, but I'm going to try to make a short video, because it seems that short videos get more views and bring more viewers to our regular videos, which I like the most. This is just try to make more people aware, and I think I'm already past the point of a short. All right, so result on this one, no more dirt. You look at that beauty. In this one, remember, it was dark. Woohoo! Nice. Get the back. Bodacious. Thank you very much.